In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time in the call in Microsoft Teams. Using a timer during a call is a simple but powerful way to keep your meetings focused and on track. Whether you're running a daily stand-up, a class activity, or a quick brainstorming session, having a visible countdown helps everyone stay aware of how much time is left and encourages people to be concise. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the timer inside Microsoft Teams and how to turn it on during a call. First, make sure you're already in an active call or meeting in Microsoft Teams. This can be a scheduled meeting, an impromptu call, or even a group meeting you joined from a link. Once you're in the call, look for the toolbar that appears, usually floating near the top or bottom of your screen. This bar contains your main call controls, like turning your camera and microphone on or off. On this toolbar, find the option labeled More. It's often represented by 3 horizontal dots or 3 little dots in a row. Go ahead and click on this More button. When you do, a menu will open with additional meeting features that aren't shown on the main toolbar. This is where Microsoft Teams hides some of its more advanced or less frequently used tools. Take a moment to scan through this menu. Depending on your version of Teams and any updates, you might see options for things like device settings, recording, or viewing meeting details. Among these options, look for one labeled Timer. This is the feature that allows you to display and control the countdown during the call. Once you see Timer in the list, click on it. As soon as you do, Teams will open the timer interface. From here, you'll typically be able to set how long you want the timer to run, start it, and sometimes pause or reset it, depending on your specific setup. When the timer starts, participants will usually see the countdown displayed on their screen, which gently reminds everyone how much time is left